Station identification. If you guys want to join us, go to American Dream Trading. Now listen, I know all the haters always cry about how much we charge. There is a difference of why we charge what we charge. Number one, we are the only stock market trader in the history of stock market education ever. And I mean ever. You guys have a full open microphone. Why does that matter? Why does that? Because you can actually ask questions. You have a problem, we can stop everything and help you. If you want to hear what's going on, it's live. Another reason is this is what 32 years of experience looks like versus anybody else you've ever seen out there. Like, well, I only know about this. We only trade this thing. Well, I don't, this is the only thing that, right? We do it all. The other reason is we have more support than anybody else ever to help you to get you to where you need, get you up to speed as fast as possible. The other reason, we have more free training and education than anybody in the history of stock market education. Notice it's ever with everything we do. Have you guys noticed the theme here? We have collectively, you guys have seen and heard more profits and success than most groups out there. I can't say all because I'm not 100% sure, but I've been doing this for 32 years. I've never seen a group collectively ever do what we do. Because the things that we do here, no one has ever done before. It needs to be on every sticker, ever.
Is it never or ever?
Yeah, well, it could be both. All right. So I need you guys to understand why we do what we do, why we have the programs, the people, the products, the services, the training. Oh, I can't believe he trains 6 days a week. That's so stupid. Why would anybody ever listen to what happens in here? People are training 6 days a week. We do it every day, all day. We have more classes than anything that's going on. We have more training than anybody ever has. We have more resources than anybody. We have more videos than anybody has ever done. We have 3,000 videos, right? We crush it in here. Every day we crush it. And I can't say officially, but some of the people that we have in here legitimately are the best traders now in the world. If you're churning over $10 million in a single year, I would say you're probably the elite. There's a difference. There's a reason, right? It makes sense. Now, at the end of the day, obviously, you guys are the ones behind the keyboard. You guys are the ones clicking buy. You guys are the ones making sure you have stop losses. You guys are making sure you collect when you're supposed to, right? At the end of the day, it is on your shoulders to make sure the trades are accurate. But I want to make sure with our company and our training, we give you every tool necessary for you to have the highest success rate possible, right? And then, of course, the rest is on you to make sure you're doing it, following the rules, making sure you have that risk management, making sure you're paying attention to what's going on, making sure you're learning and listening every day, right?